Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
Now look here. I am not a very young somebody, you see. The last time I was young was about 50 years ago. So these newfangled something that you young people going on with, I cannot understand them at all. Like for argument's sake now, the young fellas them and then trousers. In my dear, when a man wear a trousers, it wear at him waist. For tell me something now. When they are take your measurement, don't they take your waist and your pants length? Well on, something else. Don't they make the pants them with loop? You know a loop? The same thing them when make camp on the trousers. For the belt go through so that it can hold on your waist. But these young men nowadays feel to say the loop them are for the belt to hold on to them hip. Who is a girl? Anybody measure who no hip when who no taking measurement? No! So why the dickens who no feel to say trousers must wear at hip? At hip? Is that hipsters? Yes. Me know hipsters. Me see me granddaughter wear them. But that is for a discussion at a further another time. And as if to say, it ain't bad enough for you wear the trousers when make for waist at the hip. Then drawers are sure. Yes, me say it drawers. It mean underwear. Go and educate yourself. Buy a dictionary. So, me really want to understand why it near underwear if it a sure. And I don't mean to say something else for whoever it. Or at least it must be under something. All up on no pants and cover on no behind. Nobody no want to sew no drawers. One thing me have to say. Me a night and me don't talk.
Join us again next time for more Granny Rant.